I'm quite sure that there's a lot of talent because every time I've performed for corporate events, I've had people coming up and wanting to sing. And you could see that in their college days, they obviously sang. So they can sing, but they're probably out of touch because of their job and family or whatever it is. And the passion is there. So I'm thinking that when I come here now, I hear them sing, and this is the top lot, it's going to be a very tough competition, I know that. I think I'm going to judge them primarily on their ability to pitch naturally, on their confidence on stage, on their body language, and also probably the kind of song they might pick up, because sometimes people don't realize, they said Gana hai. Sometimes you can pick a very difficult song. And in a competition, probably some people try to get more points by picking a difficult song and then don't do a good job of it. I feel that this is a platform which finally they can relive their passion and their dream, what they must have wanted to do, and maybe because of other pressures of maybe job or parents or family, whatever it was, they haven't managed to fulfill. And finally, I think they're getting a platform which is not just a platform. It's going national. It's on a television network, which means you will be seen by everybody. And you have people like Madhur and Toby and myself judging, which means you're at a level that you are being judged by some of the best people in the business. Relive the superstar, relive the moments.
And now my heart is beating because we're moving on to our next category. And our next category is solo singing category. Let's start with Debanjali Biswas from Cognizant Mumbai. Debanjali was a runner-up for the CTC 2012, and she obviously wishes to win CTC 2013. So let's give it up for her. The beautiful voice coming your way.
I'm feeling happy, excited, as well as a little nervous, but still I'm happy that I'm able to make it to the grand finale.
Kataar
Leslie, were you impressed with the song?
Well, she sounds awesome.
Thank you, sir.
And I'm so happy that, after I started Coke Studio, the folk angle of our country has come back again and everybody's loving that music.
Absolutely.
So I'm really happy to see everybody enjoying the music. And I thought what you did was really great by not just doing one tune, but you did like a medley. Ek gaane se dusra, dusra gaane se tisra. So you're not making it boring, you're making it interesting. That's great.
Thanks, sir.
Madhur, what's your take on the performance?
You know what? I can't say anything because I feel it is one of my favorite songs she sang.
Oh, okay.
Super, very well.
Thank you so much.
बहुत अच्छा तुमने गाया and really touched completely. Very nice.
Thanks a lot, sir. Thank you so much.
Toby.
Hi, Devanjali.
Hello, sir.
I think I'm seeing you again this year.
Yeah,
Definitely pleasure to see you back on stage again. Yes, you did pick it up from last year. I think this year was a much better step up for you. So the way you did all your 3 levels of the song, you picked up very well. You made a wise decision to make sure you did all the 3. So your finale piece was definitely, you took off very well on that. Beautiful job.
Thank you so much.
Now what's interesting is, Toby, your score will be secret. Leslie, can we have the score?
Before I give you the score, do you want me to be like little tough on some of the things that I want to say, or you want everything nice?
No.
सब अच्छा बोलो या जो सही बात है वो भी बोलो.
सही बात है जो.
You're sounding great, and I think you had a great opportunity क्योंकि इतने आपने अलग-अलग जो tunes गाए हैं. Your body language was the same for all the songs. So in future when you do things like this, just move change the feel of your expression, change होना चाहिए तो पूरा गाना change होता है.
Right. Absolutely.
So it was great, it was fantastic. I'm just trying to give you a point. Maybe in the future you can use it.
Yeah, sure, definitely. Thank you.
Madhur?
Thank you.
Kevin. What do you have to say about the scores? Are you happy?
Yeah.
Can't really say.
A little happy.
All right. Thank you so much, Debanjali. Thank you once again.
I liked my performance, and thankfully I also got some positive comments from the judges. And I hope CTC is actually helping me in getting closer to my dreams through this platform. There is a possibility that I can make it, and those other singers are also very good, but still I felt that my performance was very good as well. So let's hope for the best.
Contestant is Deepa Sandeep Kumar from DCB Mumbai. Let's hear it for her.
Yeah, I'm going to be singing a classical song. I am slightly nervous. We have practiced quite hard to get here, and I'm sure I'll do very well from here on. सा 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 जागो जगन की बेला आई आई दीनी मीनी भोर भोर आई दीनी मीनी भोर भोर
Fantastic singing.
Thank you.
Let's go to the judges. Madhur, didn't you just love her singing?
Absolutely amazing. I think
Thank you.
very well you sung. Very
Thank you.
classical and completely very different genre. I'm really, really appreciating it. And when I was just telling Leslie about it, ki how, you know, the way, with so much of passion and so much of enthusiasm.
Thank you, sir.
Superb. Very nice.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Some nice comment. Leslie, how did you like it?
I thought you sounded really great.
Thank
like
you, sir.
Madhur just said, it was passionate.
Thank you.
You had a great feel.
Thank you, sir.
और बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. But you're in a corporate job, right?
Yes, yes.
So how much time do you get to do riyaz?
I absolutely don't get any time because apart from my corporate job,
She does riyaz whenever her boss shouts at her.
no,
So whenever she
Boss
gets
is
that,
very
you know,
nice. He doesn't shout at
all
me.
her angst is removed in that riyaz.
So just a small pointer, you're sounding fantastic. If you take half an hour
Okay.
out from your day और सिर्फ सरगम आप practice कीजिए, 40 दिन के बाद you sing the same song again and record it.
definitely, sir. I'll
You-
send it to you.
You do that, send it to me.
No, really.
I'd love to hear it because I think you are also superbly talented. You're sounding so great. तो क्या है कभी-कभी जो सुर नहीं लगता है ना, that's because रियाज के लिए time नहीं है. It's not that you can't sing. I feel India's got talent. I feel everybody is so talented. But sometimes you have to put a little, you know, like your work also, you put time behind it so you get better at your job. So the same thing with singing or art or dance or whatever. So you're sounding great. Just try and get that half an hour every day and just hear yourself in 40 days.
Definitely, sir.
मौके पे चौका मार दिया आपने. All right, so Toby, how impressed are you?
Deepa, yes, definitely. As Leslie said, you know, sometimes you do need to get yourself trained a little more.
Okay.
Little more. Yes, you sang it very well. I was looking at your pitching. You maintained that pitch. You did not, I was waiting to see whether you're going to go high or whether you're going to scream. You went high without screaming. You came low exactly at the time you're supposed to come. So absolutely great job.
Thank you. Thank you.
And now, how are you feeling after all the comments?
Oh, I'm absolutely thrilled.
Yes? Or do you
Yeah.
really do riyaz after your boss gives you some...
My boss is very sweet.
Oh, yeah. This is being...
तो उनके लिए कोई मधुर गाना गाओ यार.
Madhur, your score will be a secret score. Leslie.
Thank you.
And Toby.
Thank you. It was a wonderful experience for me, and I think the best takeaway from here is, you know, getting live exposure to such great judges and taking their feedback, working on it, and, you know, making oneself even a better performer than one already is.
अब लेके आते हैं हमारे अगले contestant को. We have Vivek Kaushik from RBS Delhi.
I'm all set, but I am very nervous क्योंकि इतने बड़े प्लेटफॉर्म पे कभी पहले परफॉर्म किया नहीं है और माय हैंड्स एंड फीट्स आर बिल्कुल ठंडे हो रहे हैं एकदम, बिल्कुल कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा क्या कैसा होगा, कुछ पता नहीं.
मधुबन में राधिका नाचे रे, मधुबन में राधिका नाचे रे, गिरधर की मुरलियाँ बाज रे, गिरधर की मुरलियाँ बाज रे, मधुबन में राधिका नाचे रे, सा ला मधुबन में राधिका नाचे रे रे सा ग रे म ग प म ध प नि ध सा नि रे सा नि ध प म प ध नि सा रे सा नि ध प म प ग म ध प ग म रे सा मधुबन में राधिका नाचे रे सा सा नि ध प म प ध प ग म रे सा नि रे सा सा ग ग म म नि ध सा मधुबन में राधिका नाचे रे मधुबन में राधिका ओ दे ना दे दे ता नि ता दा रे धीम धीम ता ना 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 दे दे ता नि ता दा रे धीम धीम ता ना 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 दे दे ता नि ता दा रे धीम धीम ता ना 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 दे दे ता नि ता दा रे ओ दे ता ना दे दे ता ना दे 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 तुम दे 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 ता दे रे गड़ तक तुम तेरे गड़ तक तेरे गड़ ता दा नि ना दे दे ता नि ता ओ दे ना दे दे ता नि ता ओ दे ना दे दे ता नि ता दा रे धीम ता दा रे धीम ता दा रे धीम
क्या बात है, तालियां होनी चाहिए once again. लेस्ली, कैसा लगा आपको?
मुझे लग रहा है कि ये काम नहीं करते, ऑफिस में जाते हैं और रियाज करते हैं।
क्या ये सच है?
नहीं ऐसा नहीं है, मतलब दोनों
काम
चीज़
भी
होती है।
करते हैं।
काम भी करते हैं।
अच्छा, तो रियाज कब करते हैं?
रियाज सुबह का टाइम थोड़ा सा और घर जाने
निकालते
के
हैं,
बाद
टाइम
थोड़ा-
निकालते हैं।
हाँ जी,
So
थोड़ा
see,
बहुत।
this is what I'm saying is everybody's got passion, और ये पैशन के लिए everybody is busy, but फिर भी जो अपना काम नहीं हो उसके लिए भी पैशन के लिए taking out time in the morning and doing रियाज, उसका रिजल्ट सुनाई दे रहा है। You're sounding great.
Thank you,
और
thank
अगर
you,
आप ज़्यादा रियाज करेंगे तो I think you'll sound still fantastic.
Thank you sir.
But you're already sounding great.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
What a compliment, Vivek. And now Toby.
Amazing. I like the way you pronounced each and every word. You could hear each and every syllable when you sang. Sometimes when people sing these kind of songs, you don't hear the last sharpness of that word. And yes, I could hear everything that you sang. Great job.
Thank you.
And now over to you, Madhur.
You know what? The best thing I just told Leslie also about it, this song is such a famous song sung by Rafi Saab. And the best part about it, Vivek, you sung it very original. You didn't try to imitate anybody. ये मैं बहुत कॉम्प्लीमेंट दूंगा क्योंकि जब से गाना गाया है, कोहिनूर पिक्चर का गाना था बहुत साल पहले का, एंड इसकी इमिटेशन इतने हो चुके हैं, इतने लोगों ने गाया है, पर आपने जो अपने वॉइस में गाया, आपने कहीं भी जाके रफ़ी सर का सुर नहीं लगाया।
Nobody can touch him.
नहीं ये
He's
बहुत
God.
बड़ी बात है। देखिए हर आदमी कोशिश करता है, मैं किशोर कुमार, हम भी तो कोशिश करते, बाथरूम सिंगर हम भी है यार।
Yeah, sure.
हम भी कोशिश करते किशोर कुमार की आवाज में गाए, रफ़ी साहब के, मुकेश की आवाज में जाए, लेकिन you sang with your heart and you never iota also try to imitate Rafi Saab. That's absolutely a great compliment.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
I just want to say the same thing जो Madhur ji we were discussing, and that's why वो कह रहे हैं, you please remember that what he's saying is absolutely correct, कि you're singing it in your own voice, and that's a very big thing.
Thank you sir, thank you.
Madhur, can we have the scores?
Thank
Whoa.
you so much, thank you so much.
Nine. And Toby,
Thank you.
congratulations. So Leslie's score is going to be the suspense for tonight.
Well, I'm feeling very happy. सबका रिएक्शन बहुत अच्छा था, ऑडियंस हुटिंग कर रहे थे गाते समय। पहली बार फर्स्ट टाइम मैंने आई हैव सीन दैट ऑडियंस आर हुटिंग ऑन क्लासिकल सॉन्ग। ऐसे तो नॉर्मली सब सॉन्ग पे होता है, बट क्लासिकल सॉन्ग के लिए कभी आज तक पहले मैंने देखा नहीं। और जजेस रिएक्शंस भी बहुत अच्छे थे, मार्क्स अच्छे मिले। लेट्स होप फॉर द बेस्ट नाउ।
I know people have really practiced, so some of them, a typical work day is about 9 hours, 10 hours at least, and then they spend another 5-6 hours practicing. I understand my team slept in the office yesterday because they worked and then they practiced and they got to work again. And I think that speaks a lot for the commitment they have. And also I think the foundation that the CTC is setting for years to come. So I really, really look forward to that. I think CTC is a great example of really engaging people, bringing them together, and bringing out the real self in them. And I think Engage for More has done a brilliant job here.